We're going to do some styling on the piece today. I've used protein spray, which is advisable to use on your piece every time you wash it and blow dry it. It cuts down the lift from the UV rays, and also when using electrical products it also gives it heat protection. When working on your system, make sure you keep it sectioned off to make it nice and neat and tidy, and it makes it much easier to work with. As you can see, I've gently tonged the back, so I've just left out this section to show you how to do it. Get quite a large wide section, put the tong in, curl it around, keep moving it, curl it around again, and then just hold it to the count of 5. If you want the curl slightly tighter and the curl comes out from the barrel, you can just cup it in your hand like that, and again count to 5, and you'll see the difference between having quite a soft movement through it and something tighter. You can see it's much more bouncier. So really it's up to you, but by cupping it will make it be curlier. Next section, again, keep the hair out of the way, then you won't get muddled. Pull the hair towards you, put the tong in, curl it around, and then go back. Curl the hair around again, just holding the end out, gives it a much more contemporary look. Count to 5, and then just let it go. So that's softer because I didn't cup it in my hand. You can see the difference between the two. And the last section, I'm going to do it in 2 parts. Curling iron in, fold the hair round, go back again and fold, keeping hold of the end. I'm just putting my hands through it, just raking it through. As you can see, it's a very soft look, very now, very contemporary, and just adds a different dimension to this beautiful hair.